Hello and welcome to QNet.
I am here to guide you on how to install and replace the filter of your home pure water purifier.
Some of the unique benefits of this functionally designed system not only include the fact that it produces clean water whilst retaining natural minerals, this sleek and modern appliance also requires no electricity, thus providing you clean water at minimal cost. Home Pure is a countertop filter that can be installed in seconds. Its filter cartridge is easy to change. No professional plumbing or tools are needed. It is essential to know its filter components to fully understand the presentation. Flexible pipe. This pipe can be rotated 360 degrees to maximize convenience and save space. The nozzle at the outlet of the flexible pipe allows water and air flow only from the inside to the outside direction. Any contamination from the water or air from the pipe outlet is impossible to get back to the unit. Display. Once Home Pure is installed in your home, it is recommended to regularly monitor the color of the 3 LEDs on the display to make sure that Home Pure is running in normal condition. The flickering blue lamp on the display is the sign of normal flow. However, a flickering yellow lamp with a beeping sound reminds you that the batteries are running out and need to be replaced immediately. When the lamp turns red, it means that your filter cartridge needs to be changed within a month. However, if the lamp turns red with a beeping sound, you need to change the filter cartridge immediately. When all lights are flickering, this indicates an overflow in the filter. What you have to do is close the valves and check the filter. If all the lamps have no light and there are no beeping sounds, it means the lifetime of the filter is finished and you should not use it anymore. Top cover. Nipple. Battery cover. Reset. Your Home Pure water filter needs to be reset after changing the filter cartridge. Please note that it is not necessary to reset the indicator after replacing the batteries, as the used water volume remains recorded in the memory. Ejector. Controller cover. Filter retaining ring. Base housing. Front valve. One-touch elbow fitting. 7-in-1 filter cartridge. Home Pure incorporates a unique 7-stage mechanical ultrafiltration process with a combination of advanced German engineering and Japanese technology. Manufactured in Korea using high-quality components, you can be assured of the special advantages of water purification as well as hygienic care and wellness in one complete system.
Now that we have familiarized ourselves with the features and components of this amazing product, it's time to learn how to install your Home Pure water purifier. Let's begin. First, remove the top cover of the unit. Next, open the battery cover and insert 2 AA batteries. Now you'll know if you've inserted it correctly if you hear the beep sound of the Home Pure. Put the top cover back on the filter and connect the flexible pipe. You have to push it back further down before you lock it in. Next, connect the plastic tube to the diverter valve. Make sure you push the plastic tube firmly into the valve before you tighten the ring. Next, you connect the diverter valve to your faucet. If necessary, you can use any of the 3 faucet adapters here that comes with your unit. Otherwise, you can go straight to your faucet. Now position the unit near the sink, and remember to always hold the unit at the bottom because the top comes off easily for filter replacement. Now insert the other end of the tube to the elbow fitting that you will find at the back of the unit. So make sure it is locked properly, so you have to press it firmly and push it downwards. Now that we've connected all the tubes, let's check all connections for possible leakage. So open the cold water supplies, then the diverter valve and the lower valve of the unit. Let the water flow for 10 minutes to clean the filter of possible small residue particles of carbon. And that's it. Now it's time to test the quality of home pure water. It's odorless and tastes good too.
To continuously provide clean water, the Home Pure water filter cartridge must be changed periodically, typically once a year, depending on the water quality and consumption. How do you know when it is the right time for filter replacement? Very easy. The indicator and beeper alarm will sound off. Changes in odor, color, taste, or slow water flow are also signs to remind you to replace your filter.
Welcome back! Now let me show you how changing the Home Pure filter cartridge can be easy. First, you have to close the diverter valve. Next, remove the plastic tube from the elbow connector. Now you need to use the spanner in order to get the plastic tube out by pressing downwards. Now be prepared for a small amount of water that may come out of the elbow connector and the filter. Open the front valve and remove the flexible pipe. And then pull out the top cover and remove the retaining ring to unlock the filter. Press out the ejectors firmly to remove the filter adapter and filter. Now, in case it's difficult to remove the filter adapter, just open and close the valve a few times. Separate the old filter from the adapter by turning it clockwise. Clean the inside of the filter with a dry cloth and assemble the new filter with the adapter. Now your new filter comes with a cartridge replacement instruction paper, so don't forget to remove that when assembling it with the adapter. Now make sure your valve is open when you put the assembled filter back into your Home Pure unit. Lock the filter retaining ring and reset the filter indicator by using a paper clip and pressing it for 2 seconds. You will see that the 3 LED lights will light up simultaneously. Next, put the top cover back on and reconnect your flexible pipe. Then connect the plastic tube to the elbow fitting. Open the diverter valve and the front valve to allow water to flow. Again, remember to allow 10 minutes for the water to flow in order to clean the filter of any possible small residual particles of carbon. And that's it, you're done.
Here are some precautions when installing and using your home pure water purifier. The water filter can only be used with pre-filtered water from a water supply facility. The filter cannot be used with water from unsafe water sources such as rivers and wells. To reach an optimum and satisfactory filter result, Home Pure should only be installed in houses with a pipe pressure between 1 to 4 bar. Home Pure must be installed at a distance far from inflammable materials and heating sources to avoid deformation. Home Pure should only be installed inside the house. Home Pure can only be installed with cold water supply at temperatures ranging between 4 degrees to 35 degrees Celsius. Do not clean the filter cartridge. Doing so may contaminate the filter unit. Home Pure can only be installed as countertop unit by using a diverter valve. It cannot be used as under the sink type. Home Pure should not be exposed to force or shock. Home Pure must be kept away or protected from direct light. Do not spill water on the water filter. Do not open the filter during water flow. Do not twist the exchange filter too tight into the adapter, as the neck of the filter cartridge can crack and break easily.
And that brings us to the end of this presentation. I hope that this video has shown you how easy it is to install, use, and maintain your Home Pure water purifier. Enjoy safe and clean water for both your health and household needs.
Learn more about Home Pure by visiting www.qnet.net. Exclusively available from QNet.